question 19. This question asks you for a claim that the author attributes to Marcuse, which means it's a detail question. The thing that the author attributes to Marcuse is going to be explicitly said in the passage somewhere. We just have to track it down. They can try to hide it by using synonyms, but that's all they can do. They can rephrase it, but it has to be said in the passage. Once again, the answer is probably going to come from the second paragraph. That's where we got the details on Marcuse's theory. And by this point in our passage through the questions, we've read that paragraph a couple times now. So we should be able to recognize what the author attributes to Marcuse. So answer choice A, in modern society, advertising helps lead people to think that they are satisfied. Ah, this is a trick. This is actually from the first paragraph, which also talks about Marcuse's views. If you go back to that first paragraph, it says that Marcuse maintains that modern people succumb to oppression by believing themselves satisfied. And he says that this is because of advertising. So yeah, they think that they're satisfied. A is our answer. We have 4 wrong answers to go through. B is wrong because Marcuse never says anything about earlier societies. It's true, Marcuse mentions modern societies, but we don't know what Marcuse thinks. At least the author doesn't tell us what Marcuse thinks about those earlier societies. Answer choice C, it is impossible to draw any meaningful distinction. No, Marcuse thinks that you can draw a meaningful distinction between real and false needs. The problem is that we confuse them, but they are real and there is a real distinction. Answer choice D, well, this one brings up totalitarian political systems, which is probably there because they do use that phrase succumb to oppression in the paragraph that we just read, but nowhere does the author talk about totalitarian political systems. This is more of a cliche trap. And then answer choice E, this is all a muddle. Secondary needs are never mentioned in the passage. Ultimately, Marcuse thinks that we have real needs and those real needs get disguised or supplanted by false needs. I don't know what secondary needs are. So yeah, the answer was answer choice A.